Hello, everyone. Soon we shall be entering the month of May, and I have noticed a marked shift in the energy just from the last couple of days. I've been marveling about how miraculously well we are getting along, despite being in our quarantine. Snappy with each other? If you're getting antsy and finding it hard to access patients, well, it may be helpful to know that last Saturday, that is the 18th of April, Aries had a guest Mercury where it is going to be until the April 27th, bringing a marked shift from watery emotional Pisces into becoming more focused and sometimes aggressive. Now, this aggressiveness can be constructive as well as destructive. The choice is yours. So be a little patient, deliberate yourself into patience. Knowing this can help you find compassion for yourself and others, as well as healthy outlets for the abundance of the fiery energy as we work through this extraordinary time. I do hope that my past live sessions that I was trying and endeavoring providing for you with some relief and perspective during these really challenging times. Now, during these times of upheaval, the guidance of astrology has been a lifeline for me, and that is what I have tried to extend it to my audience because for me, the more I share, the more I feel. And since we are all undergoing the same universal phenomena, we just need to be patient and realize that yes, these energies are probably working with everyone. So we need to mellow down a little bit and probably be more creative within ourselves. This is a good thing about Pluto turning retrograde on April 25th. It is that whatever crisis you have been struggling with these past 6 months will retreat back in the dark corner from where it had come. Retrogrades mark a change in planetary disposition, a time when what was on is called off. We often think of retrogrades as upsets in our routine because things don't go according to the plan, like with the Mercury retrograde, for instance. However, retrogrades can also switch from being reactive to proactive. Make the necessary adjustments, the bold moves, the decisive choices you need to make to ensure that you are leading with your best foot forward is to be well armed. So Pluto comes out of the retrograde on October 4th. So we have all these months where we can actually relive in ourselves or reorganize ourselves or re-strategize ourselves, take advantage of the Pluto's retrograde. Well, the month of May for the Librans, when it is a no and not a no, when Pluto turns retrograde, following its square to Mercury, this could mean that your request was denied in haste. You were mistakenly dismissed, or the higher ups was improperly informed and therefore unable to weigh in. It's a bit of an awkward situation because you don't want to contradict the person who turned you down, but you don't want to give it up either. So, what is the best solution? Wait until April 30th to reapply your follow up. And in the month of May, you may discover that circumstances have mysteriously improved in your favor and that there's an open invite where a closed door used to be. So don't lose hope. So this month of May predicts a wonderful month. All the planetary influences are positive. This helps you to accomplish your targets with minimum effort. Your intellectual capabilities and communication techniques are going to be excellent. However, the planetary retrogrades will be responsible for the leisurely growth. Now, the month of May actually suggests that you should concentrate on your professional duties and personal ambitions. Planetary strength is located in the northern sector of the chart. Hence, your family affairs and emotional harmony will be in the background this month. The majority of the planets are situated in the western half of your horoscope. Your personality has to use your natural instinct and get things done with the help of others. Independence should give way to compromise. The interest of others will rule over the interest of yourself. So, the Libra compatibility will be a mixture of romance and passion during this month. Career growth is definitely going to be enhanced with the help of the friends. In regards to your love and relationships, well, this is an excellent month in spite of the retrograde activity of Mars. You tend to be aggressive, but look for harmony and commitment in your marital life. Now, until the 14th May, love is going to be passionate, fury, and after that, the romance will take over. Singles should not be in a hurry to make love alliances this month. Love can be found in their own locality and with the help of family members. People in committed relationships have the choice either to go to the next level or change their partners. In regards to the family, well, it promises happy times for the family. You may move to a new house or change to a bigger house. The family environment will be quite harmonious. Family finances will be fabulous. There will be enjoyment and celebrations. Children will do well in their studies and other activities. In regards to your health, well, it envisages a healthy period without any serious hiccups. Health can be maintained with normal exercises and good dietary habits. However, you should relax as much as possible and avoid unnecessary stress. Because of the excellent health, your disposition will be jovial and positive. In regards to your career, it forecasts the beautiful prospects for career professionals during the month of May 2020. You are able to have good relationships with seniors and colleagues at your workplace. This will ensure that you'll be able to achieve your targets easily. You will get encouragement from social contacts. Travel for business purpose will be highly beneficial. And in regards to your finances, well, this month suggests that the financial situation will be healthier before the 20th of May. After the 20th, more effort is required to ensure proper money flow. Finances are boosted by marketing and advertising through social contacts and family members. You have to cater to the demands of the generating more money through your diligence and dedication. In regards to your education, well, it suggests that there are many opportunities for advanced education. Students engaged in creative fields and entertainment will do exceptionally well in their area of study. Intellectual levels are enhanced by the good aspects of the competitive examinations. However, you have to study hard. Trips are indicated. The business and professional travel will be extremely profitable. Leisure travel will be highly enjoyable. But a word of caution, travel if you must. If you can travel through virtual traveling or mind traveling or getting your business done online and doing your business meetings online, that's what the time demands. Either which way, you're going to benefit this month. So good luck till we meet for the next month. Well, before we come to an end of the month of May, I really want you all to know that you'll be happy to note that I have officially launched my School of Astrology program, wherein I would be teaching my way, that is Dolly Mangat's way of astrological learnings. I would be sharing my experiences, my learnings, and my explanation of the planets with you all. You could visit my website to apply for the course. The evaluation of the applications is in process as the teachings or the classes are starting from the 8th May 2020. And of course, for best dates, career, honey, and money, as usual, they're on my website. Last but not the least, for any further information and intimations, you are requested to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Trust me, It will always be beneficial for your well being, as self awareness leads to the great transformation of life. Life is what you make of it.